In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table lamp for just 30 rupees. If you are a first timer, please share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. You require a few scratch items, that is unserviceable mosquito bat, one wooden blank, 1 meter wire with plug connector, and buy one USB LED light. It is cost just 30 rupees. First, disassemble your mosquito bat by removing all the screws. Cut the wire which is connecting to circuit board. Unscrew or remove the circuit board along with your battery. It is a single cell 3.7 volt battery. Check the battery voltage. If serviceable, you can use it as a standby source, or else you can remove it. Next, cut and remove the power connector plug. We don't require. Cut your bat like this. Now we are moving to check the circuit board. Connect the power supply. Check the inlet voltage of circuit board and battery inlet voltage. Everything works fine. Let's move ahead. You should know how this mosquito bat function. When you switch on, it opens a circuit for step-up transformer. When you press the push button switch, it connects supply reaches directly to step-up transformer, which is connected to bat to produce high voltage. Now you short the push button circuit, so the power supply reaches directly to this switch. Then disconnect the step-up transformer circuit from this switch by cutting the copper layer. Now cut and remove USB connection from the LED light. And solder a positive terminal wire in switch where you broken step-up transformer circuit. Now solder a negative terminal wire in battery input. Assemble back everything. Then test it before soldering. If LED light is not glowing, then change the polarity. Then make a proper connection. Yes, it's working fine. Put some glue and fix your USB LED light. Apply some glue on wooden block. Fix your mosquito bat. That's it. Your simple low cost table lamp is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel.